What is up, guys? Dustin here with another video today. And guess what I got? I got a brand new boat. A brand new bass boat. That's right. Just look at the color of the seats. This random tote in there full of water. Yeah, it is ragged out. We're going to fix it up. Take it on the lake and the pond. There's the motor. Yeah, there's a little fish finder too. That boat is so beautiful. I'm going to turn on the little trolling motor. Oh, it's flung water on me. That was cool. And just reminding, if you want to see more videos, just comment what videos you want me to make. I do gaming and vlogs, so comment, like, subscribe. That's about it. And while I'm thinking about it, I got me a new phone, because the one I'm recording on cracked. There's my new phone. Hold on, I gotta get in the shade because I'm outside. There's my new phone. Pretty cool. But like I said, if you want me to do more games, whatever game you want me to do, I'll play it. And that's about it. Like, subscribe. Alright, guys. See ya!